Well, brief.
Hey there, friend. Mike here, and no, I'm not a doctor, a model, or a guy with 27 abs. I'm just someone who's tired of seeing people fall for shiny promises and shady products. You too? Great. Then we're on the same page. Let's talk about something different. Mitolyn. It claims to help your metabolism by supporting your mitochondria, tiny engines inside your cells that burn fat and power your body. Sounds interesting, right? Especially in a market where every product screams miracle louder than the last. But let me be real with you. There are a ton of fake websites pretending to sell Mitolyn. So in this video, I'll give you the facts, a few laughs, and zero BS. If it makes sense to you by the end, use only the official link in the description and pinned comment. Because your body deserves better than clickbait. Alright, let's geek out for a second. I promise it won't hurt. Mitolyn isn't just throwing trendy words at you like burn fat fast or lose 10 pounds in 2 hours. Seriously, who falls for that? Instead, it focuses on something real. Your mitochondria. These tiny power plants in your cells are responsible for turning food into energy. Problem is, as we age, they get sluggish. That's where Mitolyn comes in, with ingredients like acetyl L-carnitine, alpha-lipoic acid, and calcium pyruvate. These help support your energy production, metabolism, and overall cellular function. Translation? More energy, better fat processing, and less of that "why am I always tired" feeling. No gimmicks. Just a smart, targeted approach that makes your body work more efficiently, like upgrading from dial-up to high speed. Let's be honest. Most of us have felt like our bodies are working against us. You eat a salad and gain weight. You blink near a cupcake and boom, extra pounds. But what if things started clicking into place again? Mitolyn is designed to support that shift. It doesn't promise instant miracles, but it does aim to help your body burn fat more efficiently by improving how your cells produce energy. Users report feeling more energized, less sluggish, and more in control of their weight journey. Why? Because when your mitochondria work better, everything works better. Energy, focus, metabolism, even mood. It's not about turning you into a fitness influencer. It's about giving you your spark back. And that, my friend, might just be worth way more than a number on the scale. All right, let's land this plane. Mitolyn isn't a magic potion. It won't make you wake up tomorrow with superhero abs or turn your couch into a treadmill. But what it does offer is something way more valuable. Support where your body actually needs it. Deep in your cells, where energy and fat metabolism begin. It's smart, clean, and not trying to scam you with glittery promises. Now, quick heads up. There are a ton of fake websites out there selling junk under Mitolyn's name. Don't fall for it. The official link is in the description and pinned comment. That's the only one you should trust. So, if your gut says, hey, this makes sense, give it a shot. If not, hey, I'm still glad we hung out. Take care of yourself, yaff a little more, and remember, your health is the one investment that always pays off.
Well, brief.
Alright, so now that I've shared my honest take on Mitolyn, let's dive into what actually happens when you get it through the official link down below. Description and pinned comment. Don't miss it. You're not just getting some random blend. Mitolyn is manufactured in the US, inside an FDA-registered, GMP-certified facility. That's the kind of place where people wear hairnets and take stuff seriously. It's made from 100% plant-based, soy-free, dairy-free, non-GMO ingredients, no shady fillers, no what even is this, powder? It's designed to support your mitochondria, the engines that keep your body burning fat and generating energy. This is about working smarter, not sweating harder. And let's be honest, if there's a way to feel better without adding chaos to your life, I'm all ears. You too? Let's keep going. Let's break it down. No confusing bundles, no but wait, there's more, drama! The official site offers 3 packages. 1 bottle if you're dipping your toes, 3 bottles with 2 bonus books, and 6 bottles with the same 2 books plus free shipping. Simple, fair, and no auto-renew traps. And get this, they offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. Yup, even if the bottles are empty, you can get a full refund. That's called standing behind your product. So if your body isn't vibing with it, no awkward calls, no begging, just a clean break. Oh, and those bonus books, they're not just fluff. They're actually helpful, so don't sleep on that. Bottom line, you've got flexibility, value, and peace of mind, all wrapped in a clean little package. That's how buying online should feel. You'd be surprised how many people are quietly getting results with Mitolyn. No hype, just progress. From 18 to 80, folks are noticing better energy and saying goodbye to stubborn fat. One woman said nothing worked until this showed up. And now, her old genes are back in action. Not bad, right? Now, to your burning questions. Is it safe? Absolutely. It's plant-based, soy-free, dairy-free, non-GMO, and made in a US facility with proper oversight. How do I take it? Just 1 capsule a day with water. That's it. How many bottles should I order? If you're over 35 or have extra weight, they recommend 3 to 6 bottles for real results. And if it doesn't work, you've got 90 days to send it back, empty or not, and get your money. No pressure, just possibilities. Got more questions? Don't worry, they've thought of everything. So here we are. You've seen what Mitolyn is made of. Clean ingredients, real science, no weird tricks. It's smart, transparent, and designed to work with your body, not confuse it. But here's the non-negotiable part. Don't buy from random links or sketchy websites. Only the official link in the description and pinned comment is safe, legit, and comes with the real guarantee. Now, can I ask for a quick favor? This video took time, a lot of it. Research, testing, writing. Double-checking every claim, just so you'd have something you can trust. So if it helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who's been spinning their wheels with weight loss. It's a small gesture that helps us keep going. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. You've got this, and hey, we'll talk again soon.
Well, brief.